Hello everyone guys, and in today's video we're always gonna dive into Bitcoin's chart. What's going on guys and what does it all mean for us? Let me explain. So basically when Bitcoin hit the resistance level at $67,000, Bitcoin finally got rejected, and this reject was approximately about 6.5%. And right now if we scale out and switch to the daily time frame, right here we can see that the momentum of the current bounce is faded. Why the momentum of the bounce is faded, and why did I call this bounce as a bounce, not as a reversal, guys? Because previously, if we see at the whole chart and the picture, we can see right here that Bitcoin is still trading in a downward trend because maximums are decreasing, minimum are decreasing, and Bitcoin previously on the daily time frame of the 3rd of November 2025, Bitcoin broke below this support level, the 200 EMA, and since that moment Bitcoin has not been above the resistance level, which means that Bitcoin is still trading in a downward trend, and right now Bitcoin is trading below each exponential moving averages. And at the same time, Bitcoin is planning to close this daily candle this bearish way. So basically the momentum of the bounce is literally faded, and if we switch to the 1 hour time frame, right here we can see that Bitcoin literally got closer to this diagonal support level right here, because previously price formed this diagonal support level by these and this touch, and since that moment the diagonal support level start to exist, and right here by this moment Bitcoin confirmed this diagonal support level, and previously price was trading in a swing upward trend because minimums and maximums was increasing right here and right here. But previously Bitcoin again start to decrease its own maximums and minimum right here, which means that if we talk about long term, Bitcoin was still trading in the downward trend, and right now if we talk about swing trend, Bitcoin is right now start to trading in a downward trend again. And at the same time Bitcoin got closer to this diagonal support level, the momentum of the bounce is faded, and if we switch to the 1 hour to the 4 time frame and turn on the RSI right here, we can see that Bitcoin previously was trading in a divergence because maximums right here on the RSI chart was approximately equal, but if we see at the price chart, these maximums are not approximately equal. These maximums was increasing for a long period of time, which means that the RSI literally says that it's a false movement, it's false momentum, it is a smart money trap. With a high probability we may see Bitcoin lower. So basically on top of that, below each this extreme point gonna be bunch of liquidity. For sure, smart money is counting for this liquidity. So right now we see that the momentum of the bounce is faded because Bitcoin start to decrease its own minimums and maximums. The momentum of the bounce faded. Below each extreme point going to be a bunch of liquidity. Bitcoin got closer to this diagonal support level, and if Bitcoin again hit this support level, with a high probability we may see a continuation of a downward move with breaking below this diagonal support level, and with a continuation of a downward move toward the support level at 61k. After that we will see. So basically that is my prediction for Bitcoin, because right now Bitcoin is feeling literally weak, Bitcoin trading below each exponential moving averages, and the momentum of the bounce is faded, as I said previously. So my first target for Bitcoin is 61k. After that we will see. And if we turn on, for example, to the 4 time frame, we can see what Bitcoin is tend to do, because previously the lowest price of 2026 was fallen approximately 60k, but quite recently Bitcoin updated the lowest price of 2026 by this moment. After that Bitcoin gave in a bit pullback and again updated the lowest price of 2026. After that Bitcoin put another one low at 58,115. Bitcoin gave this in a bit upward bounce. And after that Bitcoin again updated the lowest price of 2026, and it's still the lowest price of 2026 is 57,100. So I think if we see what Bitcoin is tend to do, Bitcoin is literally tend to update the lowest price of 2026, and I think due to that fact that the momentum of the bounce is faded, Bitcoin is feeling big, Bitcoin is trading in a downward trend, Bitcoin is trading in divergency. So these bunch of factors say that Bitcoin is literally gonna not collapse, but something like that. So basically I'm expecting a continuation of a current downward move toward the support level at 61k. After that we will see, but after that I think with a high probability, and it's just only a matter of several days, when Bitcoin will be updating the lowest price of 2026 again. So this was just my take and my view, guys. But where am I supposed bottom to be? I think that bottom might be at the support level, that the key support level, support zone, support area at 50-55k. Due to that fact that 50k is half of 100,000, which means that it's round support level, it's a key support level. And previously the price literally reversed from this support level, because when Bitcoin hit this support level, not precise, but anyway, the lowest price of this correction was approximately $49,000. And since that moment, Bitcoin gave these upward move for approximately 120%. And I'm not aiming and I'm not counting on these bounce and this amount of percent, but anyway, I think if Bitcoin hit the support level of 50k, 55k, with a high probability we may see at least in a bit upward bounce. So basically, if Bitcoin hit the support level of 50, 55k, there I will be scaling out from a short position, and I will be thinking about some long trades. So I will be thinking about some long trades to fire some long trades. So basically, due to that fact that the momentum of the bounce is faded, Bitcoin is trading in a downward trend, Bitcoin is glad close to this diagonal support level. With a high probability, I'm expecting a continuation of a current downward move toward the support level at 60k. After that, I think we might see in a bit upward bounce due to that fact that 60k is round support level, and Bitcoin may get to the overbought or oversold area on the RSI, and due to that fact we may see in a bit upward bounce toward the resistance level at 61, 62k. But after that, I think we may see a continuation of a downward move toward the support level at 60k. After that, at 57,800. After that, we will see. And I think that the at least swing bottom, in my opinion, of course, we may see it at the support zone at 50-55k. So basically, guys, this was just my take, my view, not financial advice, just my thoughts on Bitcoin, just my view. See you later, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye, and so much. Thank you so much. And this was just my take, my view, no financial advice. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.